Now we've got a framework we can use for machine learning problems. It's time to start matching the framework to existing data science and machine learning tools. We're going to start right at the foundation. Since machine learning is quite broad, there are many different tools that we could use. So we need something to help manage our tools for us. To do so, you can use Anaconda, Miniconda, and Conda. And now I know, you might be thinking, snakes? What the hell is Daniel talking about? But trust me, once you understand these, setting up future machine learning projects, such as ones which use tools like you see here, are going to be a breeze. You can think of Anaconda and Miniconda as the hardware store and workbench of data scientists, and Conda as your personal assistant. Anaconda and Miniconda are software distributions. So much like when you download an app from the App Store, it comes with code other people have written which you can use on your computer or smartphone. The same goes for these two. They come with code other people have written which we can take advantage of on our computers for our own machine learning projects. Collections of code written by other people are often referred to as packages or tools. For example, for our heart disease classification problem we've talked about, we might want to use several Python packages, each of which could be considered a different tool for different stages of the project. In the beginning, we might use pandas and matplotlib packages for data analysis and data exploration. Then, to build a machine learning model, we might use the scikit-learn package. We might use all of these packages within a Jupyter notebook, which comes from the Jupyter package. Now, downloading Anaconda to your computer requires around 3 GB or so of space, and it installs all of the major data science and machine learning packages. However, remember how we said Anaconda is like the hardware store of data science tools? This means it's got almost every data science tool you can imagine. And from my experience, many of them don't get used. And since we're focused on being practitioners, we're going to be using the most useful ones. This is where Miniconda comes in. Miniconda, remember, is like the data scientist's workbench. It starts with the minimum requirements to get started, such as Python and a few others. And now because of this, it takes up to about 10 times less space on your computer, coming in at around 200 megabytes. So to save space and to get started, we're going to use Miniconda. But I mentioned Anaconda because I want you to be aware of it if someone mentions it or you see it somewhere online. Up next, we're going to look at Conda, which is like your assistant that comes with Miniconda. So once you download Miniconda, it'll have a few tools, but then you use Conda to help manage those tools for you. We'll look into this more in a second.